Want to keep your important files safely stored in the cloud? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload files to Mega, including individual files, multiple files, and entire folders. I'll also cover a few simple tips to make uploads easier. So let's get started. First, open Mega in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your cloud drive, you'll see your existing folders and files. If your drive is empty, don't worry, you can start uploading right away. To upload a single file, find the File Upload option in the Mega interface. Select it, then choose the file from your computer. Pick the document, image, video, or other file you want and confirm the selection. Mega will then begin uploading it to your cloud storage. If you need to upload several files at once, you can select multiple items from the file picker. Hold the appropriate selection key on your computer, choose the files you need, and confirm. This is useful when you have a group of documents, photos, or project assets to upload together. Mega can also upload a complete folder. Choose the Folder Upload option, select the folder from your computer, and confirm the upload. Mega will transfer the folder along with its contents. Yeah, this can save a lot of time when you're moving an entire project or collection of files. After starting an upload, keep an eye on the transfer area to check its progress. Upload time depends on your internet connection and the size of your files. For large videos or folders, make sure you have a stable connection and enough time for the transfer to finish. Once your files are uploaded, organize them into folders so they're easier to find later. You can create folders for things like work, photos, videos, or personal documents. Organizing files now makes searching for them much easier later, and that's how you upload files to Mega. You can upload individual files, select multiple files, or transfer an entire folder. Once everything is uploaded, organize your cloud drive so your files stay easy to manage. Pretty simple, right?